and welcome back again to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to blur the background of your videos, thereby getting higher quality videos. But before we proceed to that, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and please comment on this video. So first of all, I want you to download the Focus app. This video is actually going to be in two parts. The part where I explain everything that concerns this, and then the part where I practicalize it. So first I need you to download the Focus app from your app store, and then you make sure your microphone is on in the screen recorder, and finally you make sure you have enough space on your phone. So first of all you need to do is go to the app store and download the Focus app. After downloading the Focus app, you want to make sure you're screen recording with your microphone on. And then the Focus app is a picture app, but it's a life hack. So all you have to do is screen record while in the Focus app. Make sure you have enough storage, and boom, you have your video 10 centimeter away from your camera, having enough space so when you are done recording, because it's a picture app, you can go into your editing software and crop the parts that you do not need. So you need to have the space above your head. So now let's get into the practical aspect of this video. So all you have to do is this is the Focus app in front, and you can also see that I am screen recording already from the time that is shown up. So I go into my Focus app, and then I turn it around, which is the normal horizontal YouTube way. So I move back in order for me to have space from here to here, and then I shoot my video. I screen record by shooting. So when I am done, I go into my photo editing app and edit by cropping out the bars that I do not need. Very easy, very useful, very handy. Also, you have to make sure the aperture is, and you can also see if I'm coming forward, it looks as if my hair is not part of me anymore. So you want to make sure that you give it space in order for it to focus on your face. So now, increasing and decreasing the aperture, you have to make sure that this aperture is on f number 1.4 instead of 16, because if you increase it to 16.0, you can see that the background is no longer blurred. So you have to just decrease it to 1.4. And that is all for this video. So please, if you enjoyed this, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.